Hey guys, so this is going to be a tutorial series on a GUI application in Tkinter. So the application we're creating is called Wordsmith. So this one here that I made. And effectively what you can do is you can target a particular file that is locked and then run a dictionary attack on that file or a group of files within a folder. I have a previous video on how that works, so you can check that out. All I really want to outline in this video is just what I'll be covering. So I'll be using object-oriented programming principles and also architectural pattern called MVC without the model in this instance. And what we'll be creating is the application window you see here, the frame or the view, and in this view contains all the widgets we have. So like the label frame widget, the label widget, the text widget, the tree view widgets, the buttons, the check buttons, and also the drop-down buttons. And then I'll be creating the actions for those. So when you click on it, it directs you to an action. And then as you see, we have the menu as well. And then I'll also show how to open new windows, such as that, to relay additional information to the users, such as this one as well, the disclaimer, and then also the exit button, which will close the application. So yeah, I'll be doing this tutorial in Python 3.79, which shouldn't really matter as long as it's Python 3. And I will also be using the PyCharm IDE. And so yeah, this is just an introduction to that. And I'll see you in part 1, where I start this project from scratch. Goodbye.